Good morning students. I am Ms. Vibha from Maa Kalyanika Public School, Pendra Road, Chhattisgarh. Today I am going to teach you class 5th and the topics are successor and predecessor, comparison of the two numbers either it is less than, greater than or equal to, and international place value system and the comparison of the two systems, that is international place value system and Indian place value system. So, first of all, successor. The easiest thing to explain in this is successor means success. We are knowing the term success. Success means proceeding forward. That means only if we are having the example, for example, 9 crore 52 lakhs 10,736. So what will be the successor of this number? So the successor of this number is only one trick we have to use, that is plus 1. The next number after this given number. That means if we are doing plus 1 to this number, we will get the successor of the number. That means the answer will be 6 plus 1, that is 7, and the rest number will be same. So 0, 1, 2, 5 and 9. So the answer is 9 crore 52 lakhs 10,737. So now you are able to understand the successor of any number will be only just plus 1 of the given number. Only just plus 1 means the next number will be the successor of the given number. At the same time, predecessor. We are getting here the term pre. Pre means previous. So, for example, the same number, this number only I have taken. For example, the same number we are taking as we have to find out the predecessor of this number. So, predecessor means the previous. Pre is the term we are getting here. Predecessor, pre. Pre means previous. So, minus 1. Here the trick will be only minus 1 from the given number. And the answer we are getting is 6 minus 1 is 5, and the rest number will be same. 0, 1, 2, 5, 9. So the answer we are getting is 9 crore 52 lakhs 10,735. Means what is the predecessor? Predecessor of the number is only just the minus 1, the previous number of the given number. Only just the previous number. We have to do only minus 1 and we are getting the predecessor of the given number. So now I think you have easily understood the successor and predecessor of any number. For example, more example I am giving you predecessor of 2. So 2 will be predecessor means minus 1. So we are getting minus 1 is equal to 1. Successor of 5. Successor means plus 1. So here we are getting 5 plus 1 is 6. So see here minus 1 we are getting the predecessor, and after doing the plus 1 we are getting the successor. So this is the predecessor and this is the successor of 2. Predecessor of 2 is 1, previous number is 1, successor of 5 plus 1, that means the next number is 6. Students, now the second topic, comparison of numbers, means the given number is less than, greater than or equal to, which the comparison will be done means this one is equal to this number, or this one is greater than this, or this one is smaller than this. This we have to compare. Comparison means either it is the two given numbers are less than, greater than or equal to each other. This we have to find in this question. So see, for example, I have taken the number 4 crore 75 lakhs 26,148 and the second number is 4 crore 75 lakhs 78,148. So very easy trick. First thing is to compare between the number is, first we have to see whether both the sides 5, 6, 7, 8. So both the sides are having here, which question I had given you is having, both the sides are having the same 4. Both the sides are having equal number of digits. So it is very important first of all to compare the number. The comparison of the number is to see whether both the sides are having equal digits or not. If they are having the equal digits, then further steps I will tell you now. But if they are not having, so simply if we are comparing this side having the 4 digit and this side having the 5 digit, so obviously the 5 digit will be greater. But now here in this question both the sides are having equal number of digits. So now I will tell you the further procedure how you have to check which one is greater or which one is smaller. So see here, first digit from this side we will calculate crores. The highest period first we will see. See here, this is 4 and this is also 4. So both are equal. So here 7. And here also second period is 7. This is also equal. Now here 5 and this side also 5. So 5 and 5 equal. So now here it is 2 and this side it is 7. So of course 2 is less than 7. 2 is less than 7 means 7 is greater than 2. So as rest further we don't have to see if we are getting this number greater or that number smaller, anyone. So see here, these 3 digits are equal from both the sides and the 4th digit from the left side is, that means the 10,000th place is smaller here and this one is greater here. Means this digit is different and this one is smaller, this one is greater, means this side the answer will be, means this number is smaller than this number. Students, as I taught you in the previous class about the Indian place value system, Indian place value system. Now I am going to teach you international place value system. So what is the difference between the Indian and international place value system? I will tell you after explaining the international place value system here. So see, in the Indian place value system, we were having 3 periods, that is ones, thousands and then lakhs. And after that 4th period was crore. But here the value is ones. The periods here are different. Periods here are different and places are also different. See. So the periods here will be in the international place value system ones, thousands and millions. So as we have read in the international place value system here, in ones means in the Indian place value system we are having the same ones. The first period will be ones only, that is same. So here after ones the thousands period is there, then millions, as I told you. So now in ones period 3 places are there, ones, tens and hundreds. In thousands periods again now 3 places are there, 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000, 3 places. Then in millions 3 places are there, million, 10 million and 100 million. So if we want to write the 9-digit number, we will write it as, for example, the 9-digit numbers are 9, 2, 3, 5, 4, 2, 1, 6, 3. So this, for example, I have taken this number. So I will put this number in the international place value chart as follows. See, 3 in the ones place. Then second digit is 6. 6 in the tens place. Then third digit is thousands place, then 4 in the 10,000 place, then 5 in the 100,000 place, then 3 in the millions place, then 2 in the 10 millions place, and then 9 in the 100 millions place. Means this number will be written in the International Place Values chart in this way. And now I am going to tell you how you have to put the commas according to the periods of the International Place Value chart. So I am going to tell you this just now. So this is the given number which we have put in the International Place Value chart here. So now, as I have told you in the Indian Place Value chart system, that how you have to put the commas according to the chart. So in the same way, after each period we will put one comma. So see here, in ones 3 places are there, means 3 digits. So 3, 6 and 1. After this I will put one comma. Then in thousands 1, 2 and 3. 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. After 3 digits again I will put 1 comma 1, 2 and 3 here. Then in millions place again 3 digits are there. Millions, 10 millions and 100 million. 1, 2 and 3. So here 3. So after each 3 digits starting from the right side we will put the commas. So this is the number of the International Place Value system by putting the commas. This we have got. So now how to read this number? So how to read this number, this I will tell you now. So as we have read in the Indian Place Value system, Indian Place Value chart system, how to read the number in the same way I will tell you by showing this chart. So see, 900 million, sorry. So this will be read as 923 million, this is 2, 923 million 542,000 and 163. So this number will be read as this. So now I think you are very easily able to understand how to put the given numbers in the place value system, how to put the commas according to the International Place Value system, how to put the commas according to the Indian Place Value system, how to read and write the given numbers. Now I am going to tell you the comparison between the International Place Value system and the Indian Place Value system. So there are certain differences in between them. So see, first the International Place Value system is already here, so I am not erasing it, and the next one is your Indian Place Value system. So there are certain differences between the International and Indian Place Value system in the periods and places. So here see, ones, the second period is also here, thousands, but the third period instead of million here is lakhs, and the next period is here crores. So these are the periods and these are the places. So here ones is divided, as I had told you in the previous class, ones is divided into 3 places: ones, tens and hundreds. Thousands is divided into 2 places: 1,000 and 10,000. Lakhs is divided into again 2 lakhs and 10 lakhs, and crore is divided into crore. So see here ones. Now the comparison between the International Place Value system and the Indian Place Value system. Both the charts are present in front of you. So see, we are easily able to learn this difference by showing both the charts, by watching both the charts. See, here are the periods and here are the places, here are the periods, here are the places. what is the difference? We will compare this from here itself. Once. The first period is once only. Ones and both are having ones, tens and hundred, three places. Ones, tens and hundred, three places. This is same in both. Now, the international place value chart is having thousands period in the second after ones. Here also thousands. This is same, but one difference is here. This is divided into three places, 1, 2 and 3, and this in the Indian place value system it is divided into 2. So here in thousands in international place value system it is divided into 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. But in the Indian place value system it is divided into two parts, 1000 and 10,000. Now the third. In this, the third period, this is first period, second period and third period. The third period is again having the three places. That is million, 10 million and 100 million. But here the third period, that is ones, thousand and lakhs. This is the third period now. So the third period is lakhs. And lakhs is divided into two places, lakhs and 10 lakhs. After lakhs and 10 lakhs, this is again divided into the next period, that is crore. The fourth period is the crore, and crore is having the 1 here crore, and more it can be extended, that is crore, 10 crore. Okay, but here, so see, now what we have concluded here, that once is same in both the system, that is in international place value system and the Indian place value system. So ones, tens and 100, and here ones, tens and 100. In thousands place, here 3 are there, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. In the Indian place value system it is 2,000 and 10,000 only, but here it is 100,000 also. Now in international place value system, millions is divided into three places, millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. Here it is, the third period is the lakhs. Lakhs is divided into lakhs and 10 lakhs, and this is again divided into one more period, crores. Crore is crore, and more it can be extended, 10 crore. So in this way we understood the difference between the international and Indian place value chart system.